Oh, the time will come up, then the winds will stop, and the breeze will cease to be breathing. Like a stillness in the wind, for the hurricane begins, the hour when the ship comes in. Oh, the seas will split, and the ship will hit, and the sands on the shoreline will be shaking. Then the tide will sound, and the wind will pound, and the morning will be breaking. Oh, the fishes will laugh as they swim out of the path, and the seagulls, they'll be smiling, and the rocks on the sand will proudly stand the hour that the ship comes in. And the words that I use for to get the ship confused will not be understood as they're spoken, for the streams of the sea will have buzzed in the night and will be buried at the bottom of the ocean. A song will lift as the mainsail shifts, and the boat drifts on to the shoreline, and the sun will respect every face on the deck the hour that the ship comes in. And the sands will roll out a carpet of gold for your weary toes to be a-touching, and the ship's wise men will remind you once again that the whole wide world is watching. With the sleep still in their eyes, and the jerk from the beds and think they're dreaming, but they pinch themselves and squeal and know that it's for real the hour when the ship comes in. Then they raise their hands saying ruin it all your demands, but with shafts from the bow your days are numbered, and like Pharaoh's tribe they'll be drowning in the tide, and like Goliath